Hello, good people, and welcome to Finest Skills Hub. Here, we learn, we connect, and we grow. When you are doing bulk calculations in a range of cells in Excel, knowing which cell to lock and which cell to make relative or free can make it very easy for you to do all those calculations at a go. So we call this absolute, mixed, or relative referencing. The good news is that with Excel's new dynamic arrays, this process is even easier. We'll explore how easy it has become in just a few minutes. Join me and let's go through this.
So this is our sample model. Our goal is to take the balances here for these 10 funds and then assign it or apply it to these departments using the department's rates. So in the end, I'll take this and multiply, same for each department. But the catch is that before we do this distribution, we are supposed to hold 20% of the funds using this 20% retention rate. So in simple terms, it's going to be equal to this for the first calculation times open bracket 1 minus this retention rate. Okay, I close my bracket. Then after the discounted amount, I'll multiply this by the department rate of 12%. That is for this calculation. Okay, so if you've been using Excel for a while, you realize that if you copy this formula across just as is and down, you get errors. This is because you didn't correctly lock the cell referencing. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is for this column C, we don't expect it to move, so we'll lock column C. So F4, 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 $sign on column C. When we come to the retention rate, we are going to do what we call an absolute reference. It means the cell will not go right or down as we copy across the range. So here F4, $sign on C and 19. And then my department, I'm supposed to hold row 22 so it doesn't move as I copy down. So F4, F4, row 22 is locked. Now the thing is, if I now take this, copy right, Control R, come down, Control D, I now have all my calculations distributed. Now this is legacy Excel, but with the new dynamic arrays, I could just do this in just one go. So here I can stand in the first cell, equal to, select this whole range of numbers. Okay, multiply by open bracket 1 minus this retention rate. This time round, I'm not going to lock it. I'll close this and then multiply this by the rate. Again, I'm selecting the whole thing. Okay, so while I'm here, I can just simply press enter and then I have all my calculations easily applied. So this is what dynamic arrays give us. You can embrace it to work faster, so you have both of two worlds. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly during the week. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Finest Skills Hub. Please visit, subscribe for notification of new videos, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.